Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you observe in today's markets, there is a sharp V-shaped reversal post 245 in both Nifty and Bank Nifty as you are looking at it. So here in this video, let's focus on how order flow and market profile understanding would have alerted you about this reversal so that whenever it happens next time, you will be very cautious. Not only this, later we'll look at the key levels we need to watch for tomorrow. Before we analyze the markets, take a moment to explore our other trading videos on the home page. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications on. So first let's analyze Nifty. So I'm taking here both order flow and market profile. So what happened today is the market itself has opened just above the yesterday's value area, and yesterday value area itself is very narrow. So this is the first indication the market is going to trend in the coming days. It could be on the next day or it could be on the second day. Today if you look at the value area has expanded. We can call this as a normal variation day, which is a type of trending day. As the prices have opened outside the value area, it went upside, it came down inside value area, and then what happened, it closed more or less around the opening itself. So even second 30 minutes also it's the same thing, it closed more or less around the opening itself. So this is the first sign. This we call it as open auction in market profile. So whenever you see this open auction, 80% of the time you will see some kind of reversal or rotational market. Even the prices goes down, there will be a up move. Even if the prices goes upside, there is a good possibility of coming down later in the day, or max to max it happens in 3 days. And also we have a divergence here, bullish divergence. The order flow delta has shown a strong 1.1k delta, and prices have closed at the opening point, creating a open auction. So what this means is, at this point the aggressive buyers, they couldn't able to move the prices higher highs, so the prices got accepted inside the yesterday's value area, and it went for the yesterday's close, which is also a weak low, poor low. All these things are there. And at the same time, if you focus in order flow, there is a gap area here. Two gaps were there. One is around this point 24,700, one more is 24,760. So two gaps areas were there in order flow. So yesterday one gap has been cleared, today the other gap has cleared, and it took a support value area from 22nd May, and then a total reversal happened towards the open auction candle. Why this is happening is the buyers, as I have shown, the aggressive buyers, whoever are not strong enough in the morning, as the prices comes down, what happens, they find the lower prices very attractive. So unless the prices would have got accepted inside this value area, it's nowhere to go any kind of short, which I also have updated in the Telegram. So there is also a buying tail, a strong buying tail all the way down to 24,630. This also should not be ignored. Once we got a rejection at the lows, there are strong buying imbalances indicating big players entering the market. So there was a pullback down to this, but these lower buying imbalances, they were never tested, so they acted as good support areas, and prices made a higher high. For tomorrow, what you should be looking, so tomorrow is a new month, we'll have June futures. As of now, June futures, they are trading at 24,965, 130 points higher than what markets have closed now. So likely it will open somewhere around this area. So you need to watch for this. This is the order block area, and we have a selling tail here. You need to watch for around this. So multiple times, not once, two times, three times, multiple times sellers have come around this area. So the whole Nifty itself is still in broader sideway market. It's been, I think, more than 10 days. So if the seller around this area unwinds, there is going to be a strong up move. So most of the time, first day of month, there is going to be some kind of trend. It could be down move or it could be up move. So you need to watch for any kind of up move, watch for these 25,150 levels. So if the seller unwinds, guys, this is again a weak high area. So if the seller unwinds, trust me, it's going to be another 200-300 points up move. If at all, let's say it couldn't able to go above these levels, then again we can expect this area 24,750 POC and 24,700 levels, and again it will come down to the lower end of this multi-day balance. So this is with Nifty, guys. Coming to Bank Nifty, yesterday if you look at the prices got accepted inside 27th May value area. So once the prices gets accepted inside one value area, whole value area gets covered. So that is what happened. There was a gap up, but at the same time, guys, the value itself is too strong for prices to escape upside. So because the prices opened inside value area and it's a gap up, prices came down strongly, covering the entire value area. Yesterday low was a poor low that has got covered, and the low itself is around 55,080 levels. So it took a support. Bank Nifty took a support around the buying tail from 27th May, and there was a sharp reversal. And for tomorrow or the coming days, the key levels we need to watch for. If you look at Bank Nifty, unlike Nifty, it was spending only somewhere around 10 days, but Bank Nifty, it was spending around nearly 26-27 days in a sideway market. So these, when a market escapes these kind of bigger sideway markets, there is going to be a strong move of another 1,000-2,000 points. So we need to watch for this area 56,980 to 56,200 levels. Any clean close above this, there is a possibility whoever have shorted around this area, they will likely cover, initiating a new trend upside. So let's say, suppose if the prices closes back and sustains below this multi-day balance of 26 days, then again we can expect a strong down move in the coming days towards 55,200 levels, and it might even come down to 55,000, which is again a weak low. A strong down move might be there if the buyer, whoever is coming around this point, if he unwinds, we can expect prices coming down to 54,470 levels, which is the imbalance area. So this is with the market analysis, guys. If you find this video good, you will love what's coming up next. It's designed to further fine-tune your trading skills. Don't miss that. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.